Managing social media today isn't just about posting content. It's about staying consistent, engaging with your audience, adapting to trends, and delivering real value at the right time. That's exactly where Followr comes in. It's an all-in-one platform that combines AI-powered content creation, automated scheduling, real-time engagement tools, and smart posting algorithms to help you grow across every major social media channel. At the heart of Followr is its powerful AI engine. You're not just getting one AI model. You're getting access to top-tier AI technologies, including OpenAI, DeepSeek, Claude, and Gemini. These tools work together to help you generate content that's not only tailored to your audience, but also answers questions, provides verified information, and reflects the tone and personality of your brand. Whether you're looking to create text posts, captions, or full blog entries, Followr helps you craft content that feels human, helpful, and on-brand. And you're not starting from scratch. Followr offers pre-designed templates to help you quickly build stunning content. You can even generate visuals with AI or pull from a rich media gallery full of high-quality videos, GIFs, and images. Whether you're promoting a product, announcing an event, or just trying to keep your feed looking sharp, the tools are all there and incredibly easy to use. But what good is great content if you can't get it in front of people? With just a few clicks, Followr lets you schedule and automatically post content across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Medium, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and X. No more logging into multiple accounts or scrambling to hit publish at the right time. The platform's smart posting algorithms help you push content out when your audience is most likely to engage, boosting your visibility and improving performance. Your entire posting strategy is handled through the dashboard, where you can monitor frequency, adjust your schedule, and tweak your approach based on what's working. Everything you post and plan is neatly organized so you can focus on growth instead of constantly managing logistics. The Social Hub is another standout feature. It centralizes your Facebook and Instagram activity so you can manage everything from one clean interface. Want to see how your latest post is performing? You'll get real-time data on likes, comments, shares, and impressions. Want to engage with your audience? You can respond to messages and comments all in one place. It even lets you download your contacts as a CSV file, which is perfect if you want to build a mailing list or connect with your followers outside the platform. And for those looking to scale, especially agencies or SaaS providers, Followr offers a full white label solution. You can rebrand the platform with your own logo, colors, and messaging to create a seamless experience for your clients. Whether you're offering social media management as a service or building a new revenue stream, Followr gives you the tools to do it professionally and profitably. With Followr, you're not just managing content. You're building a smarter, more efficient social media operation. The blend of AI-generated content, automated scheduling, centralized engagement, and brandable tools makes it a must-have for anyone looking to grow their digital presence without hiring a full-time team. So, if you're ready to manage your social media like a pro and do it all in one place, grab your lifetime access to Followr today and start scaling your reach with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check lifetime deal link in the description below.